Hey, HIST 101 students, welcome to HIST 101, U.S. History, Modern American History. I am your professor for the next 5.5 weeks, Professor Lori Benlou. Excited to be here, excited to start our journey into history. And I just want to give you a little heads up on what's going to be happening in week one. Okay, Monday, which will be March 29th, I'll be holding office hours from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. It's a great time to stop by and ask me absolutely any questions. Either email me or send me a message to the CTU app and I will get back to you. Then Tuesday, which will be March 30th, we will be having our first chat. Please see our classroom for that schedule. Also, I want to go over the Unit 1 due dates. Friday, which will be April 2nd, you're going to have two things due in this course. Firstly, you're going to have Unit 1 Determined Knowledge. Determined Knowledge will always be due on Friday. Completing Determined Knowledge is important each Friday because completing the Determined Knowledge allows the system to create the learning path or nodes that you will need to complete for the Tuesday and Telepath deadline. So Friday, April 2nd, you will have your Unit 1 Determined Knowledge due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then also on Friday, April 2nd, you will have your Unit 1 Discussion Board assignment due. Unit 1 Discussion Board is a great assignment. I love it. It's where you introduce yourself to everybody. So I really enjoy reading it and getting to know you all. So looking forward to that. Okay, then Tuesday, which will be April 6th, you will have your Unit 2 in Telepath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. All right, everybody, can't wait to meet you all on the 30th with our first chats.